Walking into a modern gym feels like stepping onto a space station. Machines everywhere, confusion in the air, and most guys stick to the same 3 high school exercises. But here's the truth. To completely transform your body, you don't need 100 machines. You just need 1 kettlebell and 5 powerful exercises I'm about to show you. Years of sitting have muted our glutes, wrecked our posture, and left our lower backs screaming. Most squats look less like athletic movements and more like collapsing chairs. That's why so many guys stay weak and stuck. The Kettlebell Goblet Squat fixes all of that. Holding the kettlebell at your chest forces your torso upright. It's like a GPS for your spine. Each rep diagnoses your body. Knees caving, glutes asleep, pitching forward, core weak. This single move is a foundation for real strength. Years of hunching forward shut down your back muscles and overload your shoulders. The Kettlebell Row reverses this damage, done right. Each rep pulls your body back into strength and alignment, fighting slouching 1 pull at a time. Most judge shoulder strength by heavy dumbbells, but that's a mistake. The Kettlebell Press forces your stabilizers to wake up, building shoulders that are not just powerful, but smart and injury-proof. Forget crunches. The real job of your core is to prevent unwanted movement. The Suitcase Carry does exactly that. Hold a kettlebell in one hand and walk. The weight tries to pull you down, but your core locks in like steel. This is true functional strength. And now, the king of fat-burning moves, the Kettlebell Swing. Explosive hips drive the weight forward, torching up to 20 calories a minute. This move turns your body into a calorie-burning machine, installing a turbocharger on your metabolism. Here's your blueprint. 3 times a week, run all 5 moves as a circuit. Squats, rows, presses, carries, and swings. Aim for 3 to 4 rounds. This is all you need to build strength, resilience, and a body that lasts. The link to my free guide is in the description. Your future self will thank you.